Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the MegaPi case from Retroflag for the Raspberry Pi 3B and down. So, like I said, this is a one take channel. I unbox things and don't really care about the mistakes or anything. I do care, but I try not to make mistakes. So everything is one take, no editing or anything like that. So yeah, enjoy the ride. Okay, so there's the actual unboxing, the box itself, I should say. Okay, so comes in a nice little foam slip there, which is cool. All right, so you've got functional buttons on the front for on and off, reset, and an eject slider button there for micro SD card storage on top. It's pretty cool. So over on the side here, this lifts up, yep, for the micro SD card. So you've got access to that there. On the back, you've got your DC in, which is the micro USB, HDMI, and audio out. So for that reason alone, that's why it's not compatible with the Raspberry Pi 4, because they changed up to the mini display port, or mini HDMI, sorry, I should say. You've got USB and LAN on the side there. That will, slides off like that. And on the front, you've got your two USB ports there. It's pretty cool. Now opening it up, let's have a look what's inside. So one of the first things you'll probably see is please remove the SD card before installing the Raspberry Pi. And that is because if you leave it installed, you're gonna snap the card in half. That's not cool, man. It's just not cool. You've got your screwdriver and screws in this little baggie here. On the actual PCB, you've got two USB-A cables for plugging into the Raspberry Pi to get the functionality out of the front there. You've also got that one there for power, which then transfers through to the DC 5-volt input at the back. Then, if you have a look here, there's also a safe shutdown switch there, which you can turn on or off. Highly recommend it on, otherwise you could corrupt your micro SD card. Now, there is a little slot there for a fan, which you can plug into these two pins here. And then you've also got your reset button and the on-off switch there for the top of the case. So that was really quick, a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. But that is the MegaPi case for the Raspberry Pi 3B and down. Not for the Raspberry Pi 4. I repeat, not for the Raspberry Pi 4, because it purely will not line up on the back, especially with the USB-C cable. Although you could probably get away with it. If you have, leave me a comment down in the down in the comments below. Just leave me a comment and let me know if you've done it with the Raspberry Pi 4. Honestly, I do not have the time to test it out and see whether or not it would work. Making content like this on this channel as well as TechWizTime, it takes time. Hence why it's called TechWizTime. Actually inside the box there was also a instruction there for installing it in the case where the screws and so forth go. So yeah, like I said, this is a one take channel. Unboxings are full of mistakes, or I try not to at least. But yeah, this is what you get. So if you enjoy this sort of content, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is Beardicus. Otherwise, you can subscribe over onto the TechWizTime channel, where I produce more professional content. Yeah, if you want to like and share this video, that would be greatly appreciated. And also, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys.